medyo nainis ang Amerika sa atin, pero that saves the country from any kind of conflict with China. Yan ang po ang that's one of the pillars of Rodrigo Duterte's legacy to the Philippines. What Marcos Jr. did when he came into office is to demolish this safety net that the former president gave us. And now we're gonna have to face and deal with this problem sooner or later. Okay. So, isa po yan sa mga bagay na dapat nating paghandaan. Napakalaking bagay po niyan. Okay? Because the politics between the West and the East is very volatile. At a drop of a pin, pwede pong mangyari ang kahit na ano. Okay. Kung wala po tayong kahandaan, maaari pong malagay sa panganib ang ating mamamayang Pilipino. Yun po ay ayoko mangyari. Putting the Filipino nation into harm's way and in danger of military occupation is the last thing that I could ever imagine for the country again. Ako po ng mga veterano, mga survivor ng World War II. At sa mga kwento po ng mga ninuno ko, ay napaka-horrifying po ang mapunta sa state of war. Kung yung mga current generation po ngayon, the current generation of Filipinos right now, I want you to be open-minded and alert with such things. If you have lived decades of peace and you have not prioritized any kind of strengths to defend yourself in event of foreign invasion, you are a sitting duck primarily. You are defenseless, weak, and useless. At malalaman nyo po kapag dating ng gera, ang kawalan po ng kahandaan ay isang bagay na hindi nyo dapat ipagsawalang bahala. Dapat po na mag-prepare po tayo. At kahit po armadohan nyo ang mga citizens o mga private individuals na Pilipino ng mga armas natin ngayon currently, whether